Super cool facts you never knew about your air conditioner. The interesting history of air conditioning. In the United States, the first residential air conditioning system was in the Charles Gates Mansion, built in 1913. This Minneapolis home was 38,000 square feet, and surprisingly, it was demolished in 1933 after the original owner died and no one wanted, or could afford, to buy a palatial home with AC. Carrier Engineering Company installed the first air conditioning system in the west wing of the White House in 1930. During Herbert Hoover's presidency. In 1933, while Franklin D. Roosevelt was president, air conditioning units were installed in the private quarters of the White House. Fun air conditioning energy facts. Annually, the average American household uses 40.4 million BIS for heating and only 9.3 million BIS for cooling. That means that contrary to popular belief, cooling has a much smaller carbon footprint than heating. The world's largest HVAC system is in the Holy Mosque in Mecca, Saudi Arabia. To cool a space that sees up to 1 million visitors a month in a climate where temperatures frequently top 100 degrees, the system has 135,000 tons of refrigeration capacity. Since 2000, over 95% of new homes in the United States come with air conditioning. Prior to 1940, the rate was less than a third. Energy Star ductless heating and cooling systems help homeowners reduce their cooling costs by about 30% to 40% or more compared to forced air HVAC systems. Many home and business owners are starting to make this leap. More cool AC facts. Over the next 30 years, demand for air conditioning is set to triple. Analysts predict that 5.6 billion buildings will have AC by 2050. And to make that happen, consumers need to buy 10 new air conditioners every second for the next 30 years. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos like this.